flying for us. Rather rare MiG, one of the best ones out there flying for us. He's got the afterburner light. That's that flame gun, the backside of the aircraft. Now, Randy's performed well over 1,000 air shows in his career. Been over 31 years as a pilot. Today, he's an airline captain. And he's a captain for the airlines. There's Air Wisconsin, one of the major sponsors here this weekend for it. Now, Randy's also a 26-year veteran of air show experience, over 1,000 shows in 26 years. He's got more than 1,000 hours in Russian jet fighters alone, such as the one he's flying today for us. Now, this is a MiG-17 PF, the world's only flying MiG-17 PF, and we've got it right here in the Greater Binghamton Air Show for this weekend. He has that, what we call that level 1 low level from the right down treetop level. Why? Because he can. He's in the aerobatic box. Mr. Randy Ball, the MiG-17. He's the only MiG-17 pilot to fly as a threat and the aggressor aircraft against the United States Air Force F-4 Phantoms while flying air shows and on film. Randy Ball out there flying for us today. I want to find out more about Randy Ball. You go to his website. Like him on Facebook. It's fb.com/randyw.ball. That's DOT.ball. He's got over 100,000 fans following him on Facebook, and hope you will too. So Facebook, look him up. fb.com/randyw.ball out there. Now the MiG-17 has already climbed over 30,000 feet. He's up there in 3 minutes. The surface ceiling with just over 53,000 feet. A top speed, well, it won't quite go Mach 1. Push your nose out, you get over Mach 1. Level flight, that's 713 mile an hour in the airplane. And it's got an afterburning Russian jet engine on this aircraft. That's 7,400 pound thrust on the backside of that airplane. Coming from left wing, time to demonstrate the minimum radius turn with this MiG-17 for us today. Now he's a functional test pilot on a number of MiG fighter aircraft, including Russia's first all-weather interceptor. That's a MiG-17 PF that he's flying for us today. He's the only civilian pilot from North America who ever flown in this MiG variant aircraft. Here comes Randy Ball from left-hand side. He's going to demonstrate that minimum radius turn. So what he's going to do is come in and roll the airplane up on that edge and pull. Now the Golden Knights will be coming signing autographs. Fence line, we can't get the show from the jump. They want to thank everybody for watching coming out this weekend. There's Randy Ball. Rolls it up on that one. Pull it back to 7. Look inside that 6 to 7 positive. Tuesday plants themselves in the seat of that MiG-17. Randy's a former ICAS members, ACE Aerobatic Company's examiner in prop and jet warbirds. He's also a board member of the Historical Aviation Memorial Museum in Tyler, Texas. That's hometown for Randy. Now, what keeps Randy flying? Well, it's all his sponsors keeps him flying. It's Marathon, Gulf Coast Avionics, Goodyear, Air Wisconsin, Gentex, Jetstream, Aircraft Insurance. That's PSA Aircraft Insurance, excuse me. Historic Aviation Museum. Some of his sponsors help keep him flying. Of course, big thanks up Air Wisconsin sponsor. In addition to performing all across North American air shows every year, Randy Ball has been proud to call Air Wisconsin Airlines home as a professional pilot for the past 19 years. Now, Captain Randy Ball, who's flying there for this afternoon, has been recognized as a distinguished airline pilot in Air Wisconsin. If you'd like to fight the current and aspiring pilots and aircraft mechanics, if you always want to be a flight attendant, join him. Air Wisconsin has booths right here at the air show where you can meet Randy Ball and other aviation professionals. Air Wisconsin hiring pilots, so you can stop by. The hardest one pilot you could be eligible for. Hiring pilots over $57,000 for a signing bonus. Want to find them over Air Wisconsin? Website www.fly4, that's the letter number 4, excuse me, aw.com. That's www.fly4airwisconsin.aw.com.
See, I lost him. Looked away for a second.
Show left the show right with a high-speed pass after it will be lit. And he's going to call the speed force. We'll be in Mach number 4 this afternoon. Mach 1 being speed of sound. Let's see what we are today. That's probably about 740, 760 mile an hour a day. He's not going to get that. But he's going to push it. From the left, Randy Ball, MiG17 PM afterburner. They come through, calling out the Mach number for us. .89 Mach, just under speed of sound. It's up there about 650 mile an hour, maybe. We'll make it 500 mile an hour show center here. Mach .89 for us today. Hey, we're casting shadows. I like it. Randy's the highest time Warbird Pop jet pilot out there playing his Warbird jets, World War II series vintage jet airplanes. Look at this Randy Ball out there. Now it's Randy, FB Facebook, fbfacebook.com/randyw.ball. Look up Air Wisconsin, major sponsor, www.fly4aw.com. Again, that's the number 4. Now this may carry two 23mm cannons and a 37mm cannon that nose the airplane. 1600 when entered service. From the left, Randy Ball, a MiG17. Nice photo out for you right there. See, I told you we're going to fly what we can when we can. Brady says he hopes you enjoyed today's demonstration. Now watch from his perspective on Facebook. Go on Facebook, look up Randy Ball. He's got GoPro cameras inside the airplane and on the airplane, demonstrating his routine for us. Again, that's facebook.com/randyw.ball. Came in here Thursday evening with the airplane, Thursday afternoon. Actually, we got up here late Thursday afternoon, working on the airplane. Tires and brakes, make sure the airplane ready to fly this weekend. A lot of time spent working the airplane. You take a 50-plus-year-old jet, foreign-built Russian fighter. out there flying, of course, this weekend. We appreciate it for Randy Ball. It is MiG-17 PM flying for us today.